The department is entrusted with the responsibility of ensuring fire safety, fire prevention and response. The expertise gained in all three fields has enabled the department to become a multi-hazard response force. In recognition of this capability, the government has embedded the State Disaster Response Force in the department. The ceremonial event of annual inspection parade serves the purpose of bringing performance to optimum level through various competitions, and this has had a salutary effect on the competence of the staff to meet the responsibility they are entrusted with. The department is the nodal authority for implementing the scheme in the state. Due representation will be given to women volunteers to be Apada Sakhi. These volunteers, both male and female, would be trained by the Directorate of Fire and Emergency Services in various disaster management skills.
We serve to save. This is your motto. And I am proud that you have kept it flying high. Well done. It was a good performance today. Your parade, the ladder drill in 51 point some seconds. It is really remarkable. And I must compliment you all. In our childhood, we used to be told always by our parents and everybody, don't play with fire. But I feel all of you are born to play with fire. You not just play with fire, but you control it, you help people, you save lives, you save property. You are the real firefighters. You are the real frontline workers, and we are all very proud of you. Disasters have now become very routine and very regular, which is a very sad part, because we as humans do not respect the ecology. And the more we disrespect it, the more disasters are there. And the more the disasters, the more is your role pronounced. Because you are the first persons to reach over there. You are the first responders. Of course, the community will always be the first responder. But you are there as the uniform force which goes over there and fights and to help save lives and save property. Your bravery, your courage and your strength will matter, will be of importance while you deal with any kind of a natural calamity or disaster. And that is a mental strength that you need to develop. I know you do undergo a lot of problems like exposure to heat, exposure to carbon monoxide, and therefore it gives you a lot of stress. There is no certainty of the time when you will be able to, when you will be called. So, but you still have to be mentally and physically strong. And that is where these physical drills, these sports, make a lot of difference.
हांगच्यान वता पयलो प्लाटून घेवन आयल्या स्टेशन फायर ऑफिसर बॉस्को फेर्रांव. संत गतीन पावलार पावलां मारीत दुसरो प्लाटून घेवन फुडें आयल्या स्टेशन फायर ऑफिसर श्रीपाद गावस. अग्निशामक दलाच्या जवानांचे संचलन सदांच आमी तांची तोखणाय करता, कित्याक तिसरो प्लाटून घेवन आयल्यात स्टेशन फायर ऑफिसर दिलीप गावस. खंय कसली एमर्जन्सी जाली, उजो लागलो जाल्यार सदांच धांवत वचपी हे अग्निशामक दलाचे जवान आयज संत गतीन पावलार पावलां मेळत चलता. चौथो प्लाटून घेवन आयल्या स्टेशन फायर ऑफिसर रुपेश सावंत. सकाळ फुडच्या प्रसन्न वातावरणान आनी मंद अशा सुर्याच्या किरणान ह्या जवानांक न्हाणे घाल्लें आसा. पांचवो प्लाटून घेवन आयल्या स्टेशन फायर ऑफिसर संतोष गावडे. सव्या प्लाटूनाचे नेतृत्व करता स्टेशन फायर ऑफिसर नामदेव परवार. सातवा प्लाटून घेऊन फुडें आयल्यात सब ऑफिसर धीरज देसाय. शिस्तबद्ध अशें ह्या संचलनान 8वो प्लाटून घेवन आयल्या सब ऑफिसर दामोदर जांबावलेकर. गोंय राज्य अग्निशामक दलाचो वाद्यवृंद पंगड फुडें सुरावटी खेळटा. आंतोनियो आझावेदो हांच्या फुड्यान आपले अशें खाशेले पण भिरयता. 9वो प्लाटून घेवन आयल्यात सब ऑफिसर गणेश गोवेकर. 10व्या प्लाटूनाची खासियत म्हणजे नॅशनल डिझास्टर रेस्पॉन्स फोर्सान जो एप्रूव केल्लो युनिफॉर्म आसा तो आमच्या स्टेट डिझास्टर रेस्पॉन्स फोर्साक दिल्लो आसा. आनी ह्या टिमीचे हो 10वो प्लाटूनाचें नेतृत्व करता सुशील मोरजकर.